How to create a Reddit account using desktop browser. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Reddit account using your desktop browser. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your web browser and go to the reddit.com. And here, once you have searched for it, you'll be prompted to the official website of Reddit. So here, once the page loads, simply click on the login option which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And once you click on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply click on sign up. And after that, it will give you the three options. So here you can simply continue with Google, Apple, or you can simply put your email. So here just put your email, like I'm going to put mine, and once you're done with that, you can simply click on continue. And after that, you will receive a verification code to the mail that you have entered. So simply go to the mail and copy your verification code. And once you have copied it, simply come back and paste the verification code and simply click on continue. And after that, you need to create your password. And after that, you need to create your username and password. So here, simply create your username. And once you're done with that, simply click on the password field and simply create your own password. And here, once you're done creating your password, just click on continue, and that's it. That's how you can create the Reddit account. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.